Then I picked my wife up at work, and then we've decided that she's not going to have some supper at home. We're going to just order some supper. So I was talking to my wife just before we got onto the M13, sitting in my vehicle, and then as we pull off, my eye just glimpsed saw the light of the truck coming down, and it happened so fast. It just like took everybody out in front of us. So I'm very shocked. I can't believe that I wasn't there. It's just thank you to the Lord, I mean.